So everyone, today we are going to talk about how personas students are able to translate any sentence confidently without making mistake. Now we have seen that some students, they generally make comment that these students, they have simply prepared the things and that's why they are able to speak. But let me tell you, these students can translate any sentence without making mistake. Right, so let's have a session. We have, what's your name?
My name is Aditi.
Aditi, you claim that you can translate very fast.
Yes, sir, I can.
Audience, she claims that she can translate any sentence confidently without making mistake, and everybody, you just have to see where she is making mistake. So Aditi, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
मैं जा रहा हूँ.
I'm going.
कौन सा डांस है?
Sir, present continuous.
मुझे जाना है.
I have to
मुझे
go.
बोलना है.
I have to
मैं
speak.
बोलूँगा.
I
मैं
will
बोल
speak.
सकता
I
हूँ.
can speak.
मैं बोल सकता हूँ.
I can
मैं
speak.
बोलना चाहता हूँ.
I want to
आपके
speak.
पास क्या है?
What do you have?
आपके पास कल क्या था?
What did you
अभी
have
आपके
yesterday?
पास क्या है?
What do you have now?
आप क्या खरीदना चाहते हो?
What do you want to
आप
buy?
क्या बेचोगे?
What will you sell?
आपने क्या बेचा?
What did you sell?
आपने क्या सुना?
What did you
क्या आपने
listen?
सुना जो मैंने बोला?
Did you listen what I said?
Did you listen what I said? सर मैं सुन नहीं पाई क्योंकि मैं कुछ कर रही थी.
Sir, I couldn't listen because I was doing
क्या
something.
मैं जान सकता हूँ क्या कर रहे थे?
Can I know what were you doing?
मैं नहीं बता सकती.
I can't tell
मैं
you.
पढ़ाई कर रही थी.
I was
मैं
studying.
sentences बना रही थी.
I was making
मैं बोल रही थी.
sentences. I was
बोलो जो आप
speaking.
बोल सकते हो.
Speak what you can.
Speak what you can. करो जो आप कर सकते हो.
Do what you can.
मैं उस लड़के को जानता हूँ जिसका नाम रवि है.
I know the boy whose name is Ravi.
मैं उस लड़के को नहीं जानता जिसका नाम रवि है.
I don't know the boy whose name is
क्या आप
Ravi.
मुझे जानते हो?
Do you know me?
क्या आप उस टीचर को जानते हो जो कल एब्सेंट थे?
Do you know the teacher who was absent
मैं उस
yesterday?
टीचर को नहीं जानती.
I don't know the the
I don't
teacher.
know teacher. मैं उस टीचर को नहीं जानती जो कल एब्सेंट थे.
I don't know the teacher who was absent yesterday.
आपको बोलना चाहिए.
You should
आपको
speak.
लिखना
You
चाहिए.
should
आप
write.
लिख सकते हो.
You
क्या
can
आप
write.
लिखोगे? क्या
Will you
आप लिखने
write?
तैयार हो? क्या
Are you ready to write? Are you ready to speak? Do you know me? Is this yours?
ये मेरा नहीं है.
This is not
मुझे
mine.
पेन खरीदना है.
I have to
मुझे
purchase
pencil
a pen.
खरीदनी है.
I have to
मेरे पास
purchase
already दो पेन है. मैं पेन नहीं खरीदना चाहता.
I already have 2 pens. I don't need to buy. I don't want to buy.
मुझे बोलना है.
I have
मैं
to speak.
बोलूंगा,
I
मैं
will
बोल
speak.
सकता
I
हूँ,
can
बोलना
speak.
चाहिए,
I should speak.
आपको बोलना पड़ेगा.
You will
आप
have
कल
to
कहाँ थे,
speak.
आप
Where
क्या
were
कर
you
रहे हो, आप क्या
yesterday?
करना
What are you
चाहते हो,
doing?
आप
What do you
क्या
want to
कर
do?
रहे
What
थे?
can you do? What were you doing?
What were you doing? मैं बोल रहा था.
I was
मैं बोलने की
speaking.
कोशिश कर रहा था.
I was trying
so
to speak.
Aditi, no doubt you translated very well. Let me know how many days you have done in persona.
Sir, I have been coming for 2 months.
For 2 months you have been coming here. And who's your friend in the class?
Sir, Shri Didi,
Okay.
Drishti, Anushka, and I have many friends.
Oh, you have a lot of friends over here. That's good. A good clapping for her. Wow. Yeah, what's your name?
So my name is Rishika Patel.
Rishika Patel. Rishika, let me know in which class do you study?
Sir, I have completed my 6th standard.
6th standard you have completed.
Yes.
So you are the student of 7th.
Yes, sir.
Now you claim that you can translate any sentence
Yes,
confidently
sir,
without
I can.
making mistake.
Yes, sir, I can.
So now this time you don't have to speak much fast. You
Yes,
have
sir.
to speak slow, but with accuracy you have to speak.
Yes, sir.
Can you translate?
Yes, sir, I
So
can.
everyone, let's see how Rishika is going to translate. मुझे बोलना है.
I have to speak.
मैं बोल सकती हूँ.
I can speak.
मैं आपको बोलने दूंगा लेकिन मेरी एक शर्त है.
I will let you speak, but I have one condition.
आपकी शर्त क्या है?
What is your condition?
आप कहाँ थे कल?
Where were you yesterday?
मैं अभी घर पर हूँ और कल मैं मार्केट में था.
I am at home now, and I was at market yesterday.
Yesterday मैं पढ़ाई कर रहा था.
I was doing study.
जब आपने मुझे कॉल किया मैं पढ़ाई कर रहा था.
When you call me, I was doing study.
मैं पढ़ाई करना चाहता हूँ.
I want to do study.
I want to study. I want to study. मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ.
I want to
क्या
speak.
बोलेंगे?
Will
क्या
you
बोल
speak?
सकते हैं?
Can you speak?
क्या बोल रहे हैं?
Are you
क्या
speaking?
सुन रहे हैं?
Are you
क्या
listening?
सुनते हैं?
Do
क्या
you
ये
listen?
आपका है?
Is this yours?
Is this yours? Is this
Is
yours?
this yours?
हाँ ये मेरा है.
Yes, this is mine.
This is mine. मेरा नहीं है ये.
This is not mine.
क्या ये आपका है?
Is this yours?
क्या आप बोल सकते हो?
Can you
क्या आप
speak?
मुझे जानते हो?
Do you
क्या
know me?
आप इन्हें जानते हो?
Do you know her?
हाँ मैं इन्हें जानता हूँ.
Yes, I know
मैं
her.
इनके बारे में जानता हूँ.
I know
मैं इनके
about
बारे
her.
में नहीं जानता.
I don't know
क्या
about
बोल
her.
सकते हो? क्या
Can you
बोलोगे?
speak?
क्या
Will you
बोल रहे हो?
speak?
क्या
Are you
बोल रहे हो?
speaking?
क्या लिख रहे हो?
Are you
क्या लिखोगे? क्या लिख
writing?
सकते
Will
हो?
you write?
Can you write? क्या आप
sir.
घर पर हो?
Are you at home?
Are you at home? So Rishika can translate any sentence confidently without making mistake. Rishika, let me know how many days you have completed in persona.
Sir, I have completed one and a half month in persona.
1.5 month, 45 days you have completed
Yes, sir.
here. So now you are able to translate any sentence confidently.
Yes, sir.
Are you able to speak in English confidently?
Yes, sir, I am able to speak in
Can
confidence.
you speak on any topic?
Yes, sir.
That's the self-confidence. Now that's great. Now we have the next participant. Yes, what's your name?
Sir, my name is Archie.
Archie.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Archie, you think you can translate anything?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes,
In which
sir.
class do you study?
Sir, I have completed my 4th class.
Okay, now that girl Rishika was the student of 6th standard and Archie is the student of 4th standard. Everyone, and let's see how she is going to translate. मुझे जाना है.
I have to go.
आप कहाँ जा रहे हो?
Where are you going?
मैं घर जा रहा हूँ.
I'm going at home.
घर मत जाओ.
Don't go home.
यही रहो.
stay here.
मैं यहाँ नहीं रह सकता,
I can't stay
ये
here.
मेरा घर नहीं है,
This is not my home.
ये आपका घर है।
This is your home.
क्या आप मुझे जानते हो?
Do you know me?
डू यू नो मी? सर मैं आपको नहीं जानता।
Sir, I don't know you.
हाँ लेकिन मैंने आपके वीडियोस देखे हैं यूट्यूब पर।
Yeah, but I had watched your videos
on YouTube. I have watched your videos on YouTube. क्या आप मेरी YouTube वीडियोस देखते हो?
Do you watch my YouTube videos?
हाँ मैं आपकी YouTube वीडियोस देखता हूँ।
Yes, I watch your YouTube videos.
आपके चैनल का नाम क्या है?
What is your channel's name?
सर मेरे चैनल का नाम है परसोना इंस्टीट्यूट फॉर इंग्लिश।
So my channel's name is Persona Institute for English.
क्या आप आरजी हो?
Are you RG?
क्या आप मुझे जानती हो?
Do you know
क्या
me?
बोलती हो?
Do you
क्या बोल
speak?
सकती हो?
Can you
क्या मुझे
speak?
बोलना चाहिए?
Do you
क्या आप तैयार हो? आर यू रेडी? क्या बोलने के लिए तैयार हो?
Are you ready for speak?
Are you ready for speaking? That's great. She's the student of 4th class. Yeah. What's your name?
My name is Aradhya.
Aradhya. Okay, Aradhya. In which class do you study?
I study in 8th class.
You have been promoted in 8th
Yes, sir.
this year. So you have given the exam of 7th.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Wow. So I'm going to ask you so many sentences that you have to answer. Can you answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. मैं तैयार हूँ.
I'm ready.
मैं बोलने के लिए तैयार हूँ.
I'm ready to speak.
मुझे बोलना है.
I have to speak.
मुझे बोलना पसंद है.
I like to speak.
मैं आपके जैसे बोल सकता हूँ.
I can speak like you.
मैं आपके जैसे नहीं बोल सकता.
I cannot speak
मैं आपसे
like
अच्छा
you.
बोल सकता हूँ.
I can speak better than you.
I can speak better than you. कौन सा डिग्री है?
This comparative.
Comparative. तुम्हें जाना है.
You have to go.
तुम जा सकते हो.
You can
तुम्हें
go.
जाना चाहिए.
You should
तुम्हें
go.
बोलना चाहिए.
You should
तुम्हें बोलने की जरूरत है.
You need
तुम
to
अभी
speak.
कहाँ हो?
Where are you now?
मैं अभी कोचिंग में हूँ.
I'm coaching.
आपकी कोचिंग का नाम क्या है?
What is the name of your coaching?
मेरी कोचिंग का नाम है परसोना इंस्टीट्यूट.
My coaching's name is Persona Institute.
उसकी मदद करो.
Help him.
वहाँ जाओ.
Go there.
कॉन्फिडेंटली बोलो.
Speak confidently.
आप एक कॉन्फिडेंट लड़की है, आपको कॉन्फिडेंटली बोलना चाहिए.
You are a confident girl and you should speak confidently.
वेरी गुड बेटा. बहुत अच्छी. क्लैपिंग फॉर हर. ग्रेट जॉब. Yes, your name is
Bisma Khan.
Bisma Khan. So Bisma, you think you can translate anything confidently without
Yes, sir.
making mistake?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so मुझे जाना है.
I have to go.
आप कहाँ जा रहे हो?
Where are you
आप
going?
क्या बोल रहे हो?
What are you
क्या
speaking?
आप मुझे जानते हो?
Do you know
क्या
me?
आप सुनते हो?
Are
क्या आप
you
सुनोगे?
listening? Will you
क्या
listen?
आप इसे खरीद सकते हो?
Can you buy this?
Can you buy it? Can you buy this? मैं इसे नहीं खरीद सकता क्योंकि ये महंगा है.
I cannot buy it because it's expensive.
It's expensive. मैं जानता हूँ ये महंगा है.
I know it's expensive.
आपको ये खरीदना चाहिए.
You should buy
आपको
this.
बोलना चाहिए.
You should
आप बोल
speak.
सकते हो.
You can
आप बोल
speak.
रहे हो.
You are
आप लिख रहे हो.
speaking. You are
आपको लिखना
writing.
चाहिए.
You should write.
You should write. मैं बोलने के लिए तैयार हूँ.
I am ready to speak.
मुझे जाना है.
I want to
मैं
go.
जा रहा हूँ.
I am going.
मैं जाऊँगा.
I will go.
मैं जा सकता हूँ.
I can go.
आप क्या कर रहे हो?
What are you
क्या आप
doing?
मुझे जानते हो?
Do you know me?
मैं आपको जाने नहीं दे सकता.
I can't let you go.
मैं आपको जाने दूंगा.
I will let you go.
मैं आपसे बुलवाऊंगा.
I will make you speak.
मैं आपसे पहले सेंटेंसेस बुलवाऊंगा फिर मैं आपको जाने दूंगा.
I will make you speak sentences. Then I will let you go.
I will first make you speak sentences, then I will let you go. मैं आपको बिना सेंटेंस बुलवाए नहीं जाने दूंगा.
I will not let you go without speaking sentences.
Without making you speak sentences. मुझे sentences बोलना है.
I want
मुझे
to
जाना
speak
है.
sentences.
मैं
I am
जाऊंगा. मैं
going.
जा सकता हूँ.
I
मुझे
can
आना
go.
चाहिए. मुझे
I
बोलना
should
चाहिए. मैं
go.
बोलूंगा.
I
मैं बोल
should
सकता
speak.
हूँ. मुझे
I
बोलना
can
चाहिए.
speak.
I should speak. Yes, what's your name?
My name is Janvi.
Janvi. So Janvi, you think you can translate confidently?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
मैं बोलता हूँ.
I speak.
मैं बोलूंगा.
I will
मुझे
speak.
बोलना पसंद है.
I like to speak.
मुझे बोलना पसंद नहीं है.
I don't like to speak.
I don't like to speak. मुझे पढ़ाई करनी है.
I have to study.
सर मुझे पढ़ाई करनी है लेकिन मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है.
Sir, I have to study, but I have no time.
मैं आपकी प्रॉब्लम समझ सकता हूँ.
I can understand your problem.
मेरे पास भी समय नहीं है.
I also don't have time.
आप कहाँ हो अभी?
Where are you now?
सर मैं अभी अपनी कोचिंग में हूँ.
Sir, I am in my coaching now.
आपकी कोचिंग का नाम क्या है?
What is your coaching's
सर
name?
मेरी कोचिंग का नाम परसोना इंस्टीट्यूट है.
Sir, my coaching name is Persona Institute.
मैं यहाँ रोज आती हूँ.
I come
मुझे
here
आना
daily.
पसंद है.
I like to
मैं
come
इंग्लिश
here.
सीख रही हूँ.
I'm
मुझे
learning
इंग्लिश सीखना
English.
पसंद
I
है.
should learn.
मैं इंग्लिश सीख सकती हूँ.
I can learn
इंग्लिश बोल
English.
सकती हूँ.
I can
आपको
speak
इंग्लिश
English.
बोलने की जरूरत है.
You need to speak
आप
English.
कहाँ थे?
Where were
आप
you?
कहाँ हो?
Where are
आप
you?
क्या कर रहे हो?
What are
आप
you
क्या
doing?
करोगे?
What
आपने
will
क्या
you do?
किया?
What did you do?
क्या आप अक्षता को जानती हो?
Do you know Akshita?
क्या वो आपकी क्लासमेट है?
Is she your classmate?
क्या आप उनकी मदद करते हो?
Do you help him?
Do you help
help her?
क्या वो आपकी मदद करती है? Does she?
Does she help me?
Does she help you? क्या बोलते हो?
Do you
क्या
speak?
बोल सकते हो?
Can you speak?
क्या आपके पास बोलने के लिए समय है?
Do you have time to speak?
Excellent. Wow, that's great. Clapping for all. Yes. What's your name?
Mayuresh Mahajan.
Mayuresh, you think you can translate confidently?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
मुझे बोलना है.
I have to
मैं
speak.
बोल सकता हूँ.
I can speak.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ.
I am
मैं
speaking.
कोशिश कर रहा हूँ.
I am trying.
मैं कोशिश करूँगा.
I will try.
मैं कोशिश कर सकता हूँ.
I can try.
आपके पास समय है.
You have time.
आपके पास बोलने के लिए समय है.
You have time to speak.
You have time to speak. मुझे बोलना पड़ता है.
I have to speak.
मैं कॉलेज में हूँ.
I am in college.
मैं स्कूल में हूँ.
I am in school.
मैं स्कूल में नहीं हूँ.
I am not in
क्या
school.
आपके पास बोलने के लिए समय है?
Do you have time to speak?
Do you have time to speak? A great clapping for all everyone. Wow. Okay, yeah. What's your name?
My name is Shraddha.
Shraddha, you think you can speak?
Yes, sir. I
Really?
Can. Yes, sir.
Who is she?
She is Visma.
Okay, is she your friend?
Yes, sir.
Okay, in which school do you study?
In KV.
Okay, in KV you study.
Yeah.
Do you come here daily?
Yeah.
In which class do you study?
I'm in 9th.
9th class you study. And how many days you have completed in Persona?
Almost 1 month.
Almost 1 month you have done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, are you enjoying Persona sessions?
Yes, sir. I'm enjoying.
You are enjoying? Okay, so let's see how confidently you are going to speak. मुझे जाना है.
I want to go.
इस बोर्ड को क्लीन करो.
Clean this board.
सर मैं इस बोर्ड को 4 बार क्लीन कर चुका हूँ.
So I have cleaned this board 4 times. Will
क्या आप
speak?
आर्ची को जानते हो?
Do you know Archie?
आपकी क्लासमेट है?
Is Archie your classmate?
4th में है, आप 9th में है.
RJ is in 4th. You are at 9th.
मैं जानती हूँ.
I know.
मैं जानता हूँ.
I
मैं
know.
बोलता हूँ.
I
मैं
speak.
बोलूँगा.
I
मैं
will
बोल
speak.
सकता हूँ.
I
मुझे
can
बोलना
speak.
चाहिए.
I
क्या
will
बोलोगे?
speak. Will you speak?
क्या आप बोलने के लिए तैयार थे?
Were you ready to speak?
Were you ready to speak? Okay, मेरे पास समय है.
I have time.
मैं बोलता हूँ.
I speak.
मैं बोल सकता हूँ.
I can speak.
What's your name?
My name is Akshita.
Akshita. In which school do you study, Akshita?
Scholars Den.
Scholars Den. In which class?
Now I promote in 9th.
You have been promoted in 9th class. Okay, so do you go to school daily?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now these days are you going to school?
No, there's vacations.
There is a vacation, that's why. So you stay at your home.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and what do you do at your home long day?
Sir, speaking and some other things.
Okay, now these days you are learning only English.
Yes, sir.
How many days you have completed in Persona?
Almost 1 month.
Almost 1 month you have done.